Сука, по нам ебошь. Выход, выход. Блядь. Выход.
The Russian losses at the Avdiivka sector continue to be so extraordinarily high that even Russian war correspondents, such as Romanov, are not mincing words. This particular Russian column has been torn apart, and on the ground I see patterns which tell that a cluster munitions attack was also involved. And while Russians are announcing the evacuation of certain areas on the left bank of Dnipro, this is the destruction of Russian communications tower on the occupied left bank of the Kherson region near the Oleshkiv.
Повільнено прокайфувати.
This is a video from along the Dnipro in the Kherson region, showing a group of Ukrainian Marines dodging Russian bombardment of their vessel. This is possibly one of the vessels being used to patrol and reinforce the left bank bridgehead. The Crimean Bridge is doomed. There will be many surprises further on, the head of Security Service of Ukraine, Vasyl Malyuk, stated. This is quite a legitimate target for us. According to the norms of the Geneva Convention, other international law, the current legislation of Ukraine, customs and traditions of warfare, this is quite a legitimate target. The bridge is an illegal structure on the territory of Ukraine, Malyuk said in the documentary SSU, Special Operations of Victory. He added that Ukrainians are experts on the Crimean Bridge. After the first attack, the Russians were unable to fully restore the bridge's functionality for 8 months.
Є фахівцями по Кримському мосту по тій причині, що вперше ми його вдарили 8 жовтня минулого року. Відбулося це на наступний день після 70-річчя бункерного діда. Я думаю, йому в той ранок дуже сильно боліла голова, і ми йому зробили правильний такий, знаєте, подарунок. І вдруге ми вразили міст 17 липня поточного року за допомогою відповідних морських дронів типу Сі-Бейбі. І зайшли ми в цей раз не з суші, а зрозуміло з моря. Це справжній ляпас Путлеру і Рашці.
Прикольний салют. Майже як при відкритті Кримського моста, десь так само воно все бабахка.
Коли ми успішно влучили, то це був справжній вибух емоцій.
Всі ж чоловіки, вони трошки хлопці, да? Трошки діти, всі почали скакати. Росіяни не розуміють одного. Служба безпеки України ніколи не повторюється. Ніколи.
Міст приречений. Ніякому путінському мосту не місце на законній території неньки України.
Ukrainian M2A2, Bradley infantry fighting vehicle engaging Russian forces near the coke plant at Avdiivka in Donetsk region. Russian Minister of Transport Vitaly Savelyev reported that Russia has lost 76 Airbus and Boeing passenger planes due to sanctions. They were located abroad. Now, Russia has 1,302 airplanes, of which 1,167 are passenger airliners. The Association of Tour Operators of Russia wrote that by April 20th, 2022, the department reported a fleet of 1,287 commercial aircraft, including 1,101 passenger ones. By that time, 67.1% of the fleet was made up of foreign-made airplanes, accounting for 95% of passenger turnover. After the outbreak of war in Ukraine, the largest Russian airlines and their executives were sanctioned by the European Union, Canada, the United States, and other countries. In addition, Boeing and Airbus suspended spare parts deliveries to Russia and stopped maintenance and support of Russian Airlines aircraft. Leasing contracts were terminated due to the restrictions. Last September, the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, gave Russia a red flag on the page of flight safety audits in 187 countries. In May, the project media found out that Russian airlines had lowered their safety requirements due to a shortage of spare parts. Recently, airlines have asked relevant agencies to extend the technical service life of An-24 and An-26 passenger airplanes, most of which will soon have to be decommissioned.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.